fly right past ya. Been running it up since last year. I've been on my popping me the brand new band, yeah. No drip, just my texture. Them kids sit back, my tab, yeah. Bitch, we up, we lit. We don't need no caption. Bubble up, we bout to bubble up. Bubble up, we bout to bubble up, yeah. Bubble up.
What's up, Alphas? We are here. I'm here because we got something we need to talk about. Something I need to address. We are on the Zel-Mae channel, not Overall99ent YouTube. Even though you should follow that channel because I got a new news series where I update you on what's going on in the world and tell you what's new. 99. That's a new catchphrase right here. What's up, Alpha? But yeah, basically, Overall99ent YouTube is in the bio. I have a third channel. I'm not promoting it yet because quarantine corona got me not being able to do what I want to do in life. So that on hold, even though it's there. It's the Overall99 content channel. It's gonna have some cool stuff. You'd be surprised. So follow it if you want to. But today's topic is, why aren't you growing? What's the biggest thing to growth on the internet? And I can tell you why. Why do I know? Because down on this channel, again, that's why it's relevant. Overall99ent. This is why it's relevant. Because on that channel, I have a video. I have multiple videos with 40,000, 12,000, 10,000 views. Big view numbers, 18,000. I think when I'm about to go 20,000. But why haven't I blown up on that channel? I'm going to tell you why. Same thing on my Instagram. I hit 11K and I haven't grown since. Probably lost 1,000 followers. Actually, 12K. I've lost 1,000. I'm going to tell you why. Because I had life happen. I mentioned that on other videos. Go watch the other videos. Go watch them. It explains a lot. But yeah, I used to have 120,000 people come through my page, 2,000 view my profile every 7 days on Instagram, big number of views on YouTube, all that from the Overall99ent YouTube channel. Not mine. I have not focused on the channel. This channel is brand new. I'm gonna tell you the secret to why I didn't grow and why I made this channel and why I want to separate all three of my channels in the first place. This is why I want to change this. It's called consistency. The way the YouTube and stuff algorithm works is you be consistent over and over all your platforms. That's the way the algorithm works. For instance, when I didn't put a post on IG for 8 months, all those people that used to see it don't see it no more because basically Instagram said no one's checking for you. They can't check for me because I'm not on there, but basically the platform says they're not checking for you. Hence why my numbers shot down, and I probably, if I could post it consistent, I might get 2,000 to my page, maybe 200. If I posted as much as I did then, I would probably get 2,000 through my page a week and 200 views. When it was 10 times that over a year ago. That's it. YouTube same way. After that 40K bubble up video, we didn't post for probably a month or two. That's why the views shoot down. No one's checking for you. That means nobody cares. That means you don't get recommended. That means you are not searched for it. If you haven't looked at it, it's why consistency is the key to everything. I know a lot of you Twitch streamers. Maybe a Twitch streamer here. I noticed you notice that when you start take a break, your view count go down. Why? Because there's a chance they found other Twitch streams that they want to hang out with. That's the nature of the entertainment internet beast right now. If you're not constantly on people's mind, it's hard to promote you. It is. That's the way algorithm work. Unless a company behind you and you got like a big marketing plan, and that's when PPC and SEO and like having people like that in your corner is great. That way you can take a break. But yeah, that consistency over and over again. Like I said, hit 40K, didn't post for 2 months. Videos don't pop. This channel, I'm trying to post more consistently, but nothing popped yet on this channel, so it is what it is. On the Overall99ent YouTube channel, I'm gonna start a series called What's New 99, a news series. So follow it if you want to see that. Well, like I said, I update you on information, and I can be consistent on it. That's also a thing. Keep a name so people know. Like when algorithms see you like What's New 99 over and over again, they're gonna keep sending your way. The more people like it, the more people view it, the algorithm pushes it to more people because it seems more popular. That's basically how you grow. Consistency. Be consistent. That's not only in It's not only in YouTube or Instagram. It's life, man. The more consistent you are, the more consistent you are, the more things work out for you. The more consistent you practice. If you have watched The Last Dance, I wonder if you watched The Last Dance. I want to talk about it a little bit because I didn't get a chance to do the podcast this week. We had complications. But if you watch The Last Dance, basically Jordan always pushed people every day in practice. Was it always the best? Probably not. But they practice hard because Jordan would not let them practice hard. Therefore, when the time came, they usually made the plays they made. They usually always hit the shot. They always got the rebound. They always, because they practice hard and prepared for that situation. Might not like the way he got there. It's kind of hard, but basically that was it. He basically pushed them to consistency over and over again. We practice it. That's what luck is. Luck is when preparation meets opportunity. Like I said, no video on this page hit yet. So if y'all don't go look into this page, but Overall99, we have had a few hits. But once you if we would have been consistent on that mark, we would have probably hit. The same thing with the IG. When I was hot and got 12,000, I went from 3,000 to 12,000 like 4 months. But it kept being consistent. We probably would be at 30K, 40K on the Instagram, but I barely still post enough. Same thing with everything. If you're consistent, the algorithm will push you. That's how the internet works. Twitch the same way. YouTube, your life is the same way. The more you prepare, the more you put up things, the better it'll be. So that's all I want to tell y'all, let y'all know. I wanted to update y'all on the What's New 99. This is going to be the new slogan for the Overall99ent. This is still was Alpha because this is Zel-Mae, the alpha himself. But yeah, man, it's just, I want to update y'all, give y'all the thing. Might be a few people that don't know, because it's a lot of self-help. It's a lot of help things on that. And look at them, figure it out. They don't mean you're going to blow up. But once you get opportunity, remember to secure it. Keep going for it. Keep being consistent. Post. Usually people like the same things. This channel is not going to subscribe to that. Overall99ent will, but this channel not, because I want to experiment. This is my personal channel. So it's going to be all kind of stuff, from every type of video, vlogs, whatever, man. It's just going to be fun. It's going to be a good time. So I hope you, if you're new here, I hope you enjoy this channel. If you're alpha already, love you, man. But we're going to try to grind this channel. You feel me? We're going to try to grind the Overall99ent channel. Like I said, we're going to try to do it. I don't know. I'm going to at least try to do What's New 99 3 times a week. At least Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. At least. Might do it more. But it's going to be fun, man. Follow the social. You see it up there. You see it that way. Right now. You see the socials. Follow, man. Hit. Your boy gonna try to be more consistent. I've been consistent on Twitter. IG, I don't post on IG, but I'll get more consistent. But like I said, to be successful, be consistent. That's how I know when you hit. But sometimes you don't take advantage of the same situation. It's a unique place. So I hope you grow. I'm rooting for you, Alpha. Root for the Alpha. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, because I will be on here more often, giving you more life advice, more internet advice, more whatever I put on here. I don't even know. I got like a skit coming up. I don't know if I do it next week or whatever, but because I'm probably gonna be trying to get What's New 99 popping, so it probably the next week I do the skit. But I'll post something next week. I'll post probably twice next week. I posted twice this week. Try at least post twice on this channel. But I love you. You my alpha now. You just know what I'm saying. That light shine on me. Let me look like an angel. You know what I'm saying. That angel before I go. Love you. All right. And before I go, can I alpha get a what's that? Real quick. Come on. Say it in the comments before I get off. By the way, end screen right here. Go click those videos. You know what I'm saying. One of them gonna be Overall99ent. So click that video too, man. You know what I'm saying. Support the Overall99. What's New 99? If you want news, I got you, baby. I got you. Y'all done comment. Y'all done liked it yet? Can I leave? Can I go? We good?